Guys, I'm out here in the backyard getting ready to test the VIFLY Finder beeper. As you can see, this is the unit here on the side. It's got 3 wires that wire into the flight controller: yellow, red, and black. Black wire goes to ground, red wire goes to 5-volt positive or beeper positive, and the yellow wire goes to beeper negative. On my particular unit, it acts as a sensing wire. There are 2 different configurations for wiring it, which come in the manual. The beeper itself functions with a battery that's connected to the back inside the package. It weighs 5 grams total. When you have the battery come unhooked or ejected, when you crash, the beeper will beep until you press the button. It charges automatically, has an internal battery. When you set it up with your flight controller to work off of a switch, as I did, you can also turn your switch on to find it if you're down in, say, tall grass like what I've got here in the backyard. So I'm going to do a demonstration of how this operates with my controller, and then I'll unhook the battery when we get to the quad, and you'll see what it does when you unhook. Just unplug the battery, it keeps beeping. So it's a very handy device if you're the kind of person that loses your quad a lot in grass, can't find it in a tree. Something like this is going to be real handy for you. So I'm just going to set the camera over here on the ground for right now, fly around a little bit, land it somewhere where I don't know where it's at. We'll turn the beeper on and we'll see how easy it is to find. Alright, let's find us a spot to put her down. That looks good. Alright. Can't see it? I got no idea where it's at. Somewhere out there in the grass. The grass is tall, and it's buried, and it's missing. Okay, let's turn the switch on. Oh, I hear it. That is one heck of a good tracking device, let me tell you. Definitely makes some noise. And then, when you unplug your main battery, you get a beep continually until you hold the button down on the VIFLY Finder for approximately 1.5 to 2 seconds, and it will disarm. I'm assuming that they don't have a momentary. I mean, if you just push the button, it doesn't turn off, because I think that's in case it crashes in a way that it touches the button. Then you don't have to worry about it actually shutting down on you. So there you go. That's my first look at the VIFLY Finder beeper. Seems to work real nice. Obviously I don't have much room to put it on this quad, so I just got it stuck on the side, but definitely works. Awesome. Nice product, guys. Good job.